Hi everyone, my name is Vlerta from Cemantica, and today we'll go over the Journey Highlights feature. The Journey Highlights feature allows you to create executive reports within seconds, so you can share with stakeholders or within your teams. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at the feature. So here we have an end-to-end journey map, and if we want to create a detailed report for this journey map, we have the Journey Highlight feature right here at the top. So once you select the Journey Highlight feature, a really nice structured presentation will be created for you with 6 different clean-cut sections like we see here. So we have a journey summary which goes over the main points of the journey, including some sentiment data, a sentiment chart here. Then we have a persona brief, which goes over the main points and the main characteristics of the personas that are associated with the journey. Alongside that, we have touch points, the main touch points and moments of truth, the main pain points, and also main opportunities. We also include here some recommendations, which are like next steps for your teams. To create a presentation in PowerPoint or in PDF, you can go ahead and export that in the formatting that you'd like. Also here, we support multi-language, so it's inclusive for all of your teams and you can stay connected within global teams as well. If you want to find out more about Cemantica, we do encourage you to visit Cemantica.com or reach out to us at info@cemantica.com. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.